So welcome again. So today's session will be data integrity and Alcoa principles in pharmaceutical industry. So yesterday we have seen documentation management system and GMP, and additional to that, this presentation will be on data integrity. So presentation overview will be what is data integrity, regulatory environments, data integrity principles, Alcoa principles, basic data integrity expectations, implementation, and conclusion. So definition as per MHRA, data is the information derived or obtained from the raw data, for example, a reported analytical results. Data integrity, the extent to which all the data are complete, consistent, and accurate throughout the data lifecycle. Data can be electronic or paper-based or hybrid. Data lifecycle from initial data generation and recording through the processing, including transformation, migration, use, retention, archiving, retrieval, and destruction of the data. Data integrity definition and guidance. Data integrity is the extent to which all the data are complete, consistent, and accurate throughout the data lifecycle. Records should be made or completed at the time each action is taken and in such a way that all significant activities concerning the manufacture of medicinal products are traceable. So any alteration made to the entry on a document should be signed and dated. The alteration should permit the reading of the original information wherever appropriate, the reason of the alteration should be recorded. So handwritten document should be made in a clear, legible, and indelible way. The effort and resource assigned to the data governance should be commensurate with the risk to product quality. Also be balanced with other quality assurance resource demands. Manufacturers and analytical laboratories are not expected to implement a forensic approach to the data checking on a routine basis, but instead design and operate a system which provides an acceptable state of control based on the data integrity risk and which is fully documented with supporting rationals. Means every time हम लोगों को forensic approach लेके investigation approach लेके नहीं चलना है. तो जैसे हम लोग QPD का concept देख रहे थे yesterday, so like that only we have to build all these practices that all the supporting rationale should be available at the time of audits. Why data integrity assures the quality, safety, and efficacy of drugs? The documented data is the only record of the activity presenting the quality of the product, reliability of the data presented. Questioning data integrity is the loss of trust. FDA hot topic is guilty until proven innocent. Submitting false data to the FDA is a criminal violation under Food and Drug Acts, CGMP alteration provisions. So guilty until proven innocent means आपको आपने जो गलती किया हुआ है डॉक्यूमेंट्स में वो गलती आपको जस्टिफाई करना है. अगर वो जस्टिफाई वहीं पे नहीं की है तो जब तक आपका प्रूव नहीं होता है कि दिस इज रॉन्ग और राइट, so till the time your this audit point will be written as non-compliance only and nobody is going to listen. So every error or every data which is recorded that shall be justified. What are the lead to data integrity? Discarding source documents after accurate transcription, deleting e-files after printing, data manipulation, data falsification, misrepresentation, and withholding critical information, and etc. Means we cannot discard any document after accurate transcription. मतलब हम लोगों ने कहीं पे उसको ट्रांसलेट कर दिया और ट्रांसक्रिप्ट कर दिया, कहीं पे शिफ्ट कर दिया. So we cannot discard these documents, source documents. We cannot delete e-files after printing. मतलब प्रिंट कर दिया और उसके बाद हम लोग e-files उसका डिलीट नहीं कर सकते. So we have to keep that one. Data manipulation, data falsification, and misrepresentations, and also data integrity issues arising when we are withholding critical information with us. We are not disclosing critical information to the auditors. So how to design a system to ensure data integrity? System should be designed to assure data integrity, access to clocks for recording timed events. So जैसे हम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम भी देखा कि हम लोगों को हैंड वॉच या कंप्यूटर वॉच का यूज नहीं करना है डाटा रिकॉर्ड जब हम लोग कर रहे हैं, तो देयर शैल बी एक्सेसिबिलिटी टू द clocks. Accessibility of batch records at locations where activity take place so that ad hoc data recording and later transcriptions to the official record is not necessary. So online data entry karna. Control over blank paper templates for data recording. Use access rights which prevents or audit trails to data amendments. Automated data capture or printed printers attached to the equipment such as balances. Proximity of printers to relevant activities, access to sampling points, displays, measuring devices. So attributes, what is ALCOA principle? So A means attributes clearly indicates who recorded the data or performed the activity, signed, dated, who wrote it, and when it has been written. Legible, it must be possible to read or interpret the data after it is recorded, but it shall be permanent, no explained hieroglyphs, and properly corrected if necessary. Data shall be contemporaneous, data must be recorded at the time it was generated, close proximity to occurrence. It is not allowed at any time that the documents will be written backdated or in bunch and by sitting in office. So it shall be generated in real time and it shall be with the close proximity to the occurrence. Data shall be original. Data must be presented in its unaltered state. If not, why not certified copy? So we have to justify if it is not presented in unaltered condition. Data shall be accurate. Data must be correctly reflect the action, observation made, data check where necessary, modifications explained if not self-evidence. So this is ALCOA principle which we are seeing today. Data integrity issues, fabricating, faking or faking the data, copying existing data as new data, releasing failing products, hiding or obscuring SOP or protocol deviations, not saving electronic or hard copy data, inadequate reporting or failure and deviations, use of non-validated softwares, mismatch between reported data and actual data, no links traceability to source documents or original data, backdating, postdating, and missing signatures. So here one point you can note down that use of non-validated software. So until and unless any software you are using and that software is not validated, you are not allowed to make entries in the software. Rerunning samples, test until release, or no appropriate audit trail is available. Inadequate access, authorization, or privileges. Discarding, deleting of data, omitting negative data like OS or eliminating outliers, not reporting failing results or stability failures, conducting unofficial analysis, disabling audit trails in electronic data capture systems, fabricating training data, having unofficial batch sheets and analytical report. This is not related to training or understanding a particular technique or quality concept, but mainly related to the honesty and ethical issues. Understanding the difference between falsification and bad or poor document practice. Human error, data entered by mistake that can be corrected, rectified. Ignorance, not aware of regulatory requirements, that is okay, acceptable. Willfully falsification or fraud with the intent to deceive, so this is not acceptable. Reporting only passing results by excluding failing results is not acceptable. Unauthorized changes to data post acquisition, error during transmission from one computer to another, chances due to software bugs or malwares of which the user is unaware. So these are the things which may affect the data integrity. Data integrity implementation: establish a data integrity policy to show that you are serious about falsification of the data and that is a cause for termination. Train on this policy. Establish a general standard for GDP so that even the most innocent recording issues cannot be pursued as a fraudulent. बहुत सारे टाइम क्या होता है कि आप लोग काम करते वक्त हम लोग देखते हैं कि गलतियां होती है, लेकिन हम लोग उस टाइम उसको रिकॉर्ड नहीं करते प्रॉपरली and it reflects and it's perceived to the auditors as a false data or fraudulent data. Prevention is better than cure. QMS modernization, computer system validation, data review policy, quality risk management process, control of documents and records, strengthen internal audits, identifying risk factors, technical or QA trainings or education, promoting and supporting quality culture, effective CAPA's systemic assessment of all the areas, quality management performance review meetings. Be honest, record all the data in a contemporaneous manner and signature with signature. Enter the date and time as per procedure. Any error shall be corrected as per GDP. Any changes should be noted with reason and non-repeated. Data shall accurately reflect who performed or witnessed the activity or who entered result or verified the accuracy of entries. Never record the signature or initials of another person. Never predate or backdate entries on any record. Computer system shall be trustworthy, validated, ensures access control and audit trails. Let us question ourselves: are we compliant with the ALCOA principles in our daily work? Do we meet the requirements of regulatory guidelines? Where do we have problems or deviations regarding data integrity? Which employees have difficulties with implementation? Do we live by the principles or of a comprehensive quality culture? Is quality a critical factor for the company's decision process? क्योंकि बहुत सारे टाइम हम लोग देखते हैं कि हम लोग क्वालिटी की बातें करते हैं, मतलब मैनेजमेंट इज सेइंग नो, क्वालिटी इज द प्राइम for us and quality is premium for us. But when time comes for implementation, they are asking for manipulation, they are asking for deviation from the procedures, and that is called as quality culture. So we have to ask questions to ourselves whether we are following a comprehensive quality culture or not, whether company is critical factor for the decision making process, quality is a critical factor or not. So thank you very much. Any questions on data integrity?
Sir, nowadays there is the ALCO Plus is also available.
Pardon?
ALCO Plus.
There is nothing more in ALCO Plus. It is similar things which are reflected as a computer validation and all these things. Electronic data management. That we will take separate session for the same.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. I will send you both the presentations.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.